Stereo microscopes provide a clear, three-dimensional view of objects, making them ideal for examining electronics, coins, plants, and small mechanical parts. The best models offer sharp magnification, easy focus control, and bright illumination, making them perfect for both beginners and professionals. Starting at number 1, TOMLOV DM97 Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV DM97 Digital microscope is a versatile high-magnification microscope that's ideal for adults, hobbyists, students, and professionals who want to closely inspect small objects like coins, circuit boards, rocks, stamps, and more with clarity and ease. It features a 7-inch rotatable LCD screen paired with a 12MP camera and 1080p imaging that delivers detailed visuals and lets you view subjects at magnifications ranging roughly from 50x up to 1200x with built-in LED lighting to illuminate your view. You can also connect it to a PC for a larger display and use the included 32GB micro SD card to capture and save photos or videos of your observations. Built with a solid metal stand and adjustable focus, this digital microscope combines portability with strong performance for detailed inspection and documentation tasks. Number 2. Elikliv Coin Microscope. The Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000X is a compact digital microscope designed for close-up viewing and inspection of small objects like coins, jewelry, stamps, circuit boards, and more. With a 4.3-inch LCD screen that displays clear, real-time images and videos thanks to its digital imaging system. It offers up to 1000x magnification and features 8 adjustable LED lights to provide bright, even illumination so you can see fine details even in low-light conditions. And it can be connected to a Windows or MacBook computer for a larger view and easier analysis. The included adjustable stand helps you position the microscope and focus precisely on your subject, making it a useful tool for hobbyists, collectors, students, and small-scale inspection tasks. Number 3. DM12 Soldering Microscope. The DM12 Digital Soldering Microscope 2000X is a high-magnification digital microscope designed for adults, hobbyists, and professionals who need detailed visual inspection of small objects like coins, circuit boards, jewelry, and solder joints. It typically features a large 10.1-inch HDMI USB-compatible screen that displays crisp, real-time images with up to 2000x magnification, making it easier to see fine details without straining your eyes. Built-in adjustable LED lighting ensures even illumination of your subject, and the included 32GB TF card lets you capture and save photos and videos of your observations, while HDMI output lets you connect to a PC or TV for an even larger view. With its versatile connectivity and strong zoom capability, this type of digital microscope is well suited for detailed inspection, documentation, and educational use. Number 4. Andonstar AD249S-M. The Andonstar AD249S-M 10.1-inch HDMI digital microscope 2000X for adults is a high-magnification digital microscope that's great for adults interested in detailed inspection work like electronics repair, coin examination, soldering, and hobby projects. It features a large 10.1-inch LCD screen with HDMI output and supports PC display and comes with 3 interchangeable lenses that together cover a wide magnification range, roughly 18, 20, 40x, so you can zoom in on tiny details or get a broader view depending on your task. The microscope captures UHD 2160p video and high-resolution photos, and its adjustable LED lighting helps illuminate subjects clearly for both observation and recording. With a ProBoom arm stand for stable positioning and compatibility with Windows systems for image capture and measurement, this model is designed to be versatile for electronics work, hobbyists, and educational use alike. Number 5. Andonstar AD249S-M+. The Andonstar AD249S-M+ 10.1 HDMI Soldering Digital Microscope is a versatile, high-magnification digital microscope designed for electronics repair, soldering, coin and small object inspection, and detailed hobby work. It features a 10.1-inch LCD display with HDMI output and 3 interchangeable lenses that together cover a wide magnification range up to about 2000x, letting you zoom in on tiny details with clarity and precision. The microscope supports UHD 2160p video recording and photo capture, and comes with useful accessories such as a metal stand, soldering helping hands, slide holder, and a 32 GB memory card for storing images and videos of your work. Its combination of a large screen, adjustable optics, and robust accessory kit makes it a solid choice for adults doing precision tasks like circuit board repair, inspection, and documentation.